Nature's superheroes, super chameleons. By Kenney. Table of contents. Life in the trees. Super chameleon skills, page 8. Captains of color. Try this. Glossary. Index to learn more. Chapter 1. Life in the trees. What animal's tongue shoots out faster than a race car drives? What can see the sky and the ground at the same time? And what creature can change colors? This captain of color has incredible powers. It's a chameleon. Most chameleons live in Madagascar and other parts of Africa. Many have long tails that curl. Chameleons climb high in the trees. They use their tail and claw-like feet to grip branches. See how tightly this chameleon is holding onto the branch? Did you know there are more than 180 kinds of chameleons? The tiniest can fit on a match head. Chapter 2. Super chameleon skills. Chameleons have super eyesight. Their unique eyes means special eyes dart everywhere. They can look everywhere. They can move in almost a complete circle. Each eye moves separately. At the same time, the other can look down. This eye can look up. This eye can look down. It means the eyes move separately. To really focus, a chameleon points both eyes in the same direction. Let's look at a close-up of the eyes. Each eye moves separately. One eye look up, the other eye look down. Chameleons are slow, but their tongues are incredibly fast. At the end is a ball of muscle. It is sticky. The tongue shoots out. It sticks to the prey. Then the chameleon quickly pulls its tongue back along with the bug. Did you know a chameleon has a long tongue to snag food? Snag food. It can reach 2 times the lizard's body length. It means that his tongue can be longer when it stretches out. It's 2 times of his body length. Prey. An animal that is hunted by another animal for food. So it sticks out to the prey. Another skill looks like a dance. It's the way this lizard walks. It lifts one arm and one leg. It sways back and forth. This mimics leaves moving in the wind. It takes a step. It starts its dance again. It helps chameleons hide from predators. Chapter 3. Captains of colors. What is the chameleon's most unique skills? It can change colors. Chameleons are green or brown most of the time, but that can change in a flash. How? Special skin cells. The cells are filled with different colors. They also have crystals. See? These reflect different colors The colors in crystal help the skin change. Green, blue, red. These colors don't just look pretty. They help chameleons. A chameleon can change its color to change its body temperature. If it is cold, it becomes darker. Dark colors absorb more sunlight. This warms the chameleon. If it's too hot, the lizard turns lighter. Lighter colors reflect sunlight. This keeps the chameleon cool. So when it's really cold, it becomes darker. Take a look. A chameleon has many features. What it means is the feature of his skin, eye, tongue, feet, and tail. It's one of nature's superheroes. Skin changes color to show mood and change body temperature. The eye, this feature of the eye can look all around. The other feature of his tongue is the tongue quickly catches prey. The other feature that we're going to talk about is his feet. Feet help a chameleon grip a tree branches. A tail helps a chameleon grip tree branches as well. But there's more to a chameleon's color. It's a way of talking. A chameleon's color tells mates to come near or go away. It can show anger, strength, or fear. Did you know? Some people think chameleons change color to match the environment, but that is a myth. That's not true. These powers help chameleons. They are not fast, so they need to be sneaky. Up in the trees, they use their eyes to look all around. Their walk hides them from predators. It also helps them hunt. They sneak up on insects. Their tongue acts fast. Have you ever seen a chameleon? From fast tongues to changing color, a chameleon will surprise you. You get to try this at home, hot or cold. Chameleons can change color to warm or cool their bodies. The end.